Hey everyone, this is Nox from TG Nexus, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic vanilla Minecraft server today. So this one is the easier one. Another one that you can do is a bucket server, and I will show how to do that in another video. But for now, we're just going to go to www.minecraft.net, and we're going to go into um, download. Yeah. Um, it says play Minecraft. This is if you're signed in. Play Minecraft in browser, download. You're gonna want to hit download. Um, on it, you can download the actual game and place it wherever. But below that, you have your multiplayer server stuff. And for that one, you can just hit download Minecraft server.exe. And once that fully downloads, we're gonna open that, run it. Okay, so now we have a Minecraft server that's running. Um, Currently at its that's interesting. At its current settings, it can run on your internal IP. So this is good. At its current state, this would be good for when the in-game LAN setting wasn't available, because at its current state, you can't play anything but LAN. So in order to fix this, you're going to want to we'll close this for now. Um, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to figure out your external IP address, and you're going to want to port forward that, which for Minecraft is a pretty safe thing when it comes to security. But in order to do that, you gotta know your internal IP address, which generally starts with 192.168 or whatever. So you go into that, and I'm gonna go into advanced setup. Now what we're going to do is we're going to on my modem setup, you go down to security and you go into port forwarding. Now on this port forward, you would type in your IP address, your you would type in your internal IP address or your LAN IP address. The protocol doesn't matter that much, and your starting and ending port should be just, whatever you're going to use to sign into your server. Generally it's 25565 or whatever. Now for this one, you're going to on this one, your external IP address changes every day, so you're gonna have to do this every time that you want to run a new one. So you go into this and you figure out your external IP address by typing in, well, going to whatsmyip.com. It's the wrong one. I'll just Google it. .org. So my external would be that, which isn't very, which it's fine if everyone knows. So then you go into that and you type that one in here, and again you type in your starting and ending port, which if you typed in, say, 25565, you put 25565 on both of those too, and then you apply, and that goes onto your port forwarding list. And so now what you can do is anyone around the world pretty much will be able to go into your Minecraft server if it is running. And I have another one running right here, so I'm going to go into that. This is a one that I already have. And so you go into there and you run it. Oh, before that, actually, we're going to exit out. We're going to go into server properties. And here, you don't really, here you can mess with, different stuff, like message of the day, which will appear whenever someone types in, say, like, /MOTD. And then there's other stuff like max players, difficulty. For that one, you would do like 0 is peaceful, and then you have 1 easy, 2 medium, and 3 hard. And just a whole bunch of other stuff. And you can see a list for what you would type in to be true or false, or what kinds of things you would type in at the address of the link that I provide below the video. And so what we're really looking for here is server IP. So what you want to do is you want to type in the one that you found before, and so mine would be 7121928.206. So I'd go into there. Alright, so there's that. And say the port you binded or forwarded is 25565, so you type in the server port as 25565. Once you have all that, you save your properties and you close it. And just to help this work, I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually, never mind, I don't really need to do that. So yeah, so once that is all running, it's not working for me because I didn't forward the port and finish that. But if you did all this correctly, then it should run, and virtually anyone around the world will now be able to get into your Minecraft server, and it just goes up to the limit of players that you have available to join that you set in your properties. And that's how you start a vanilla server. I'm going to do another video, as I've mentioned, of how to do a Minecraft bucket server, which is a little bit more difficult and, takes a little bit more effort to keep up and stuff like that, but makes it a little more customizable. But yeah, anyway, that's how you make a vanilla Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.